So hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rio Shoot and you're watching the first episode of Rio कुछ सिखा. So आज के एपिसोड में हम मिराज के नेट्स के प्रैक्टिस और उनका रिव्यू करेंगे. सारे फ्लैशेस, स्मोक्स, मॉलीज, एवरीथिंग. ये वीडियो उन प्लेयर्स के लिए है जो लोअर रैंक पे स्टक हैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है लोअर रैंक कितना फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हो सकता है. अपनी इंडिविजुअल स्किल्स बढ़ाकर ही आप लोअर रैंक से बाहर आ सकते हैं. तो आज की वीडियो में हम मिराज की यूटिलिटीज की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. मिराज एक हॉरिजॉन्टल मैप है, जिसका मतलब है कि इट्स अ एम बेस्ड मैप. एंड लोअर रैंक पे एम पे रिलायबल रहना is not something you should put your money on. So yeah guys, enjoy the video. मैं description में नेट्स की timeline दे दूंगा, so you can jump to the particular smoke. So let's start and enjoy the video. So yeah guys, let's start the video. First of all, let's start from A set. A set 3 smoke से बनता है, CT, stairs और jungle. So first of all, let's run the CT smoke. You just have to go here. This T spawn के बगल में is a rod, combination rod. You just have to go to the first rod, aim in between, and then aim here and jump through. This smoke will go here, and that's your city smoke. That's the first part done. Now to the second smoke. That's the stair smoke. You just have to come here, aim in between, and aim just like I did, in between of this thing. That's your stair smoke. That's your basic stair smoke. And now to the third smoke. That's the jungle smoke. You just have to come here. One and second thing. You just have to go in between. Aim at this quadruple thing to the between and then a bit left and throw. That's your jungle smoke. So that's the jungle smoke. That's the stair smoke. And it's your city smoke. So it will look like this. People from there can't shoot you, people from there can't shoot you, and people from stairs can't shoot you. So yeah, that's the thing. But everything has a loophole. So this jungle smoke has a bit or a small loophole. What people will do is flash in, and then if there is a smoke here, they'll just do a flash and walk in from bench and then kill you. So what you can do is, while running from aim in, you can just throw a molly here, a bench molly. So they can't just come and kill you from this area and swing and kill you. So yeah, that's the basic A set. Okay, so guys, now to the second part. तो जनरली लोग क्या करते हैं कि वॉक इन करते हैं एम से, या एम जब रश कर रहे होते हैं तो वो इधर आके कभी कभी स्टक हो जाते हैं इधर टेट्रिस पे. सो इधर से भी आप बहुत सारे स्मोक्स फेंक सकते हैं. जैसे कि आपका पहला स्मोक है सिटी स्मोक. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू गो हियर, स्टक योरसेल्फ हियर एंड थ्रो अ सिटी स्मोक फ्रॉम हियर. यू सी दिस वॉल, सी दिस विंडो. टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द विंडो, द बॉटम लेफ्ट, यू जस्ट हैव टू थ्रो अ simple left hand smoke. So this will go here and smoke at CT. Now to the jungle smoke, deep jungle smoke. You just have to go to the same spot, look over here to this gap in between and just left it throw. The smoke will jump off here and block this view. So when you swing from here, they can't kill you. And to the stair smoke. For the stair smoke, you just have to jump one level, aim at this black dot, and then jump throw. The smoke will pop right at the stairs. So that's your Tetris smoke. So welcome guys to the third part of the series. I'll be showing some mid smokes. So there are generally 4 smokes: nest smoke, crossing smoke, V-shot smoke, and con smoke. So सबसे पहले मैं आपको क्रॉसिंग स्मोक दिखाता हूँ. सो क्रॉसिंग स्मोक करने के लिए आपको इस ट्रैश कैन के ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ेगा और इस दीवार के साथ स्टक होना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आपको ये एंटीना के टॉप राइट पे एम करना है एंड देन लेफ्ट थ्रो. सो इट विल ब्लॉक ऑफ एनी व्यू फ्रॉम गाय पिकिंग फ्रॉम कनेक्टर एंड सॉरी नेस्ट एंड कनेक्टर. और आप इस बॉक्स के पीछे तक स्विंग कर सकते हो ऐसे. सो दैट्स योर बेसिक क्रॉसिंग स्मोक. नाउ टू द नेस्ट स्मोक. Next smoke, I'll show you 2 types of smoke, 120 tick and 64 tick as well. For 120 tick, you just have to go here to this door, aim right here, press your D button and jump bind button at the same time. I'll put a link to my jump bind in the description so you can look it out. So what you have to do is go here, stuck yourself here, aim right here. I'll show in my look at my crosshair. Aim right here, press your D button and jump bind button at the same time. So yeah, That's your basic nest smoke. So that's your nest smoke. Now to the 64 tick part of the nest smoke. It's a bit complicated, but if you practice, आप बहुत आराम से ये सीख सकते हैं. So you just have to go here. At the same time, you just have to crouch and jump and move at the same time. So it's a bit complicated, I know, but if you practice, you can do it. So you see this door at the bottom right, you just have to aim here, move until you touch this part, and then jump. So yeah, that's the same smoke, but it's in 64 tick. Same thing, no gap, no nothing. Now to the two remaining smokes, that is B shot smoke and connector smoke. So B shot smoke maybe दो type है, 164 128 tick और 64 tick. So just for 128 tick आपको ये window के बीच में aim करना है and then jump through. So it will block off any vision from B shot. It's like this. And then for 64 tick, you just have to aim left and up.
Laying down smoke.
That's the same smoke. So this will work off. Now to the con smoke. You just have to go here. And then you see this carpet. At the bottom, you just have to go here and jump through. So it will block off any vision from connector. Or you can also smoke this top con area as well. I'll show you. It's also a bit complicated, but you can do it. So you have to go, stuck yourself here, aim at this spot. You see this carpet, big carpet? This big carpet, you just have to 1 and 2. This in the middle, just as you touch this part, you just have to jump through and crouch and jump through. So move, crouch and jump through. So it will block off the top con area like this. So yeah guys, these are the mid smokes. Now to the fourth part of the video. मैं इसमें आपको B smoke सिखाऊंगा, बट B साइड के स्मोक्स बहुत सारे हैं, बट मैं आपको जितने एसेंशियल स्मोक्स हैं, जितने भी इको राउंड के स्मोक्स हैं, सारे बताता हूँ. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्मोक इज window smoke, the market window smoke. So you just have to go here, stuck yourself here, and then aim right here at the top of this building and then jump through. So what we'll do is block off this area completely. So अगर इधर से कोई ऑपर खेल रहा है, सो वो आपको नहीं मार पाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ टू द सेकंड स्मोक. ये स्मोक अगर आप इको राउंड में है और आपको बॉम्ब प्लांट निकलना है, तो ये स्मोक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और आपके पास एक अच्छा एंट्री फैगर है जो कि जाके सीधा एक को बार के प्लांट ले सकता है, तो ये स्मोक बहुत ही यूजफुल है सपोर्ट प्लेयर्स के लिए. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज कम टू द फर्स्ट स्टेयर्स, एम एट द शैडो, aim at the shadow, and then aim at this building, the right part, a bit right, and then throw. So this smoke will block off the sight area properly. They can't shoot you from here. Only the player can shoot you is from here. So we have to smoke this part also. So if you have 2 smoke in eco round, that's the perfect thing you can do. So that's the first smoke. I'll show you again. Smoke, aim here, a bit right to this top right building, and throw. So the combination of this smoke can be merged with this smoke as well. That's the side smoke, and not to the van smoke. So you have to come to this second log, aim right at this point, a bit right, so that you can match the imaginary line here, and then throw. So what it will do is smoke off this area. So you smoked off this part and this part. Oh sorry, did I wrong smoke? You smoked off this part and that part. So what you have to do is just jump off this area and plant the bomb in smoke. So that may be a good eco round strat if you want. And this strat can work in lower rank and maybe in higher rank as well. So yeah, these are the two smoke that can help you. Now to the basic set smoke. Get right smoke and the get left smoke. So that's your get right smoke. Aim to this window. Aim at this rod and this wall in between this and throw. That's your get right smoke. So it will block off this area, people praying from here. So yeah. Now to the get left smoke. You have to come to the third wood and aim here. And then you see this black dot on the lamp. You just have to aim here and jump through. So it will smoke off the get left area and the get right area. So your set will look like this. Yeah. So your set will look like this. Only the people can shoot you from van, and if you have a molly, you throw the molly here. So yeah, your set is complete. You can just run out, plant, and play for retake. So that's your basic build. So yeah guys, now I'll teach you some CT control smoke starting from CT spawn. So there are two smokes from CT spawn. One is high mid smoke and one is palace smoke. So let's learn about the palace smoke first. So you just have to go here, stuck yourself here, and aim right here at the top log and then jump
Laying
in.
down smoke.
So it will stop any fast pushes from terrorists if they are rushing very fast and you have the info that they are rushing every round, so you can stop by this smoke. Now if you wanna rush high mid, you have eco round, and yeah, you can buy a molly and a smoke, and you can get 1 or 2 kills by this set. So I'll show you. First of all, you just have to go at the same spot from the palace smoke. You just have to aim right at the top of this left building, a bit left, and then walk, and then as you reach this part, this black spot, I mean the black mark, you just jump through. So walk, as you touch this part,
Throwing
just
smoke.
jump through. So what we'll do is just smoke the high mid area, and if you're rushing from connector, you just have to smoke in behind. So what we'll do is they can't rush through here and they are smoked off. So it's a eco round strat, and your whole team can rush and take mid control. So yeah, that's the basic mid control take in a eco round. So yeah. So now to the CT control smoke. If you wanna take B control very early, so what you have to do is come right here and then aim at 1, 2, 3. Third block at the top and then jump through.
Smoke.
So what we'll do is smoke off this part very early. I mean, if they are rushing and they see this smoke, they'll generally stop if they have no intention to rush. They'll get a bit scared that there's a fast B smoke. They might push apps or something, so they'll hold back. You have time to use your utilities and everything. So yeah guys, welcome to the flashbang part of the series. इस पार्ट में मैं आपको बहुत सारे फ्लैशबैंग सिखाऊंगा जो कि काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है एज अ सपोर्ट प्लेयर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए मेन. अगर आपके पास एक एंट्री फ्लैगर है जो कि हर राउंड एंट्री लेने को तैयार है ए मेन, सो आप अपने 2 फ्लैश के साथ उसकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो combination of these 2 flashes can help the player take entry or something. So this is the first flash. You just have to aim at this door, crouch, and then aim at this lamp
Deploying
and throw.
flashbang.
So this flash will block any players watching from triple, left triple, right triple, default, this area, above the default watching you, every player. So yeah. And the player from CT won't be get flashed by this flash. So you just have to make a combination of these 2 flashes. One is this lamp
Throwing
flash,
flashbang.
and then you have to throw this at this imaginary line. Just throw the flash high, and the CT player will get flashed. So your enter fragger can take kills without any problem. So yeah, these are the 2 important flashes you can use. Now to the B side. Oh, let's take some connector flashes which are very important. So I already taught you some very important smokes. So if you have a crossing smoke, let's say nest smoke and B shot smoke, and your player is waiting here, right here, waiting for a connector guy to peek or something, so you can help your teammate with a flash. So I'll show you two flashes. So you just have to come here, aim at this top right window and throw. So just say I'm flashing, dodge. So your player won't get flashed and the connector guy will be totally blind, and your player can swing. So yeah, that's the one flash. Now I call this flash a god flash. If you wanna rush B shot and you know a player is in connector, so yeah, you can flash both B shot guy and connector guy at the same time. So I call this god flash for mid. So you just have to go here, stuck yourself in between this, aim at this. You see this red thing? Aim at this wood intersection and throw. So this flash will blind the B shot guy watching here like this, and the connector guy as well. So yeah, these flashes are really important if you're taking mid. So now to the B side, there are generally two flashes. So if you have a Zeus or a shotgun, you can use this flash. So you know this van has a angular thing, so you can use the thing. You just have to crouch and throw. So yeah, you can peek with this flash. So yeah, this is one trick flash you can use, just like this. Yeah, and this is one of the most important flashes you can use as a support player. If your player is playing here and he hears a sound or something like bande aa rahe 3-4 ka rush hai, so you can do this flash very efficiently. You just have to go stuck yourself here. They won't be able to see you, so you don't have to worry. You just have to go stuck yourself here and aim at this shadow or this rod at the top and then flash. So this will flash the people coming from like this. It will definitely flash them, and your player can just take info or peek at the flash, just at the flash pops up like this, and take 1 or 2 kills. So yeah guys, these are the flashbang that is required in Mirage. These are the basic. So yeah, if you want some other flashes or smokes, you can just tell me in the comment box. I love to hear them. Maybe I'll learn and show it to you in the next video. So yeah, these are the flash. Guys, welcome to the Molotov part of the series. I'll show you some basic Molotov which you can throw. So starting from Amen, I'll show you some basic Molotovs. So let's start from sandwich Molotov. So you just have to come to this wall, aim so that you don't see the other part of the wall. If you see this black dot, aim for the black dot and just let it throw. So this Molotov will just Molotov the player playing sandwich, and that's your basic sandwich Molotov. Now if you don't have a smoke and you have an info that a player is playing stairs and you want to flush it out, so you just have to come aim in so you don't get spotted from stairs. Just have to aim for the upper part of the wall and just run and throw. So it will Molotov the stairs part of the area and even the player playing here. So yeah, that's your basic stairs Molotov. Now if a player runs out Amen and you wanna Molotov behind CT, you can Molotov it out by, you see this big box, to the bottom left part of the box, jump throw. So that's your CT Molotov. So now to the one of the most important Molotovs in Mirage, that's your Under Palace Molotov. So imagine a imaginary line right there like this from here to here. You come to the second pillar, aim to the white grayish thing, aim here to the inclined stuff, and then run and throw like this. So your Molotov will go and flush out any player playing Under Palace. So yeah, so now to the complicated part of the Under Palace Molotov. So if a player has Molotov this out and you still want a Molotov Under Palace, you just have to come here, aim right here, aim to the left tile, to the bottom left, go back, don't move your mouse, go to this part and throw. So your Under Palace Molotov will be successful with the smoke there. So now to the B part of the Molotov series, I'll show you a basic bench Molotov. Now come right here, aim at this thing and throw. So it will Molotov any player playing bench or the jail area. So yeah, and players who are stuck right here can use their Molotov as well. So if you want a Molotov market, you just have to aim at the top of this leaf,
Incendiary.
and it will Molotov the market area. And if you want a Molotov market window, you can also do that. You just have to come here, aim right there,
Incendiary.
and that's your basic market window Molotov. Now if your player is playing get right, or playing or taking info of B palace, and you're playing backside or taco, you can also Molotov BF from right here. So what you have to do is come right here, aim at this V thing, and just
Throwing fire.
so it will Molotov this thing up. So yeah guys, that's the Molotov series. Thank you for watching. So yeah guys, if you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. I stream daily on my channel 9 to 1. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.